Look at this world we've built. Towers of steel, rivers of light, 7 billion lives moving at once. We think we understand this world. We can see it, touch it, measure it. But what if I told you the real universe isn't out there? It's inside this man. We cross the boundary of skin, and suddenly, a different world. The lungs, the heart, a fist-sized pump, beating 100,000 times a day. It has never once stopped to rest, not since the day you were born. Inside the arteries now, these are red blood cells. Each one carries oxygen, the fuel of life. Right now, 30 trillion of them are moving through you, all at once. Welcome to your gut. Right here, inside your intestines, live nearly 40 trillion bacteria. More bacteria than human cells in your entire body. They are not your enemy. They are you. This is a coronavirus. It has no metabolism, no way to feed itself. By most definitions, it isn't even alive. Inside your body are an estimated 30 to 40 trillion human cells. Each one is a tiny living factory, working every second to keep you alive. Journey into a single cell, and you'll discover its nucleus, the control center. Hidden inside is DNA. Is built from billions of repeating molecules called nucleotides. Adenine, thymine, cytosine, or guanine. Let's take now adenine molecule. In it, let's pick up for now hydrogen atom. This is a hydrogen atom, the most abundant thing in the universe. One proton, one electron. That's it. At the center, the nucleus. A proton, 1.68 femtometers wide. If this atom were the size of a football stadium, the proton would be a single grain of sand. But inside that proton, 3 quarks, 2 up quarks, 1 down quark. And beyond the quark, this is where science stops. One theory, called string theory, says quarks themselves are not the bottom, that everything, every particle, every force, is made of tiny vibrating loops of energy, strings. A violin string vibrates and makes a note. These strings vibrate and make matter, make light, make gravity, make you. String theory is breathtaking. It is also unproven. No experiment has confirmed it. Not yet.